Hi there, students. Okay, I wanted to teach you some phrasal verbs with the verb to roll. I hope you can hear me above this wind. Okay, so to roll back means to go back to a former state. Yeah? He took the magic potion and the years rolled back. They went back. So to roll back to a former state. Yeah? They rolled the game back. Okay? So to go back to a previous state. Okay, roll on. Continue going. Yeah? Things rolled on. The machine rolled on. Our business is rolling on. It's not brilliant, but it's rolling on. Yeah? So, things are rolling on as they always are. You could have the phrase as well, roll on Thursday. I hope Thursday comes soon. I'm anxious for it. Okay, to roll by, to pass rapidly. On the motorway, the different towns rolled by as we continued our trip. The years rolled by and they were very happy. Yeah? Time is rolling by. We must get on. Okay. To roll out. This is how something develops. Yeah? So we implemented the plan and then we watched how it rolled out. You can also have roll out to mean to initiate a project. We rolled out the plan. Okay? Implemented. And then we saw how it rolled out. Okay, to roll in, to enter in large numbers. Money was rolling in. The people were rolling in. To roll in is good. Notice somebody could be rolling in it, but I think that's in it and just the roll. Very rich. Okay, so things are rolling in, yeah, coming in rapidly, lots and lots and lots at a time. Okay, roll up. Well, this is what they say at the circus. Roll up, roll up, roll up. Come and see the bearded lady. Roll up, come and see the lions, or whatever. Yeah, roll up, come here. And, okay, roll off. Well, I think about things rolling off the presses, rolling off the machine. Yeah? I guess he rolled off in his car as well, but that's probably the least useful. So, roll back, to go back to a former state. To roll on, to continue. To roll by, to go past. To roll out, either how something develops or when you initiate a plan. Roll in, enter in large numbers. And roll up, come and see what we've got. Come in a line and see. Okay? And remember, to roll is a regular verb. Anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. I'm going to roll off.